Hello friends, welcome to another review. This is the EMEET Piko Plus 4K AI streaming webcam. This thing, check it out. It is very small. Comes with this cool little magnetic cover you can put right over there to have your privacy. This thing is tiny. Look at that. It has two lenses there. Yeah, 4K quality. I have it hooked up to my PC right now, so just switch over to that one here. And here we go, as we can see. All right, try to move it over this way a little bit. But very excellent quality here, really smooth. Yeah, even though like the background I'm looking at it right now, it's just really clear compared to my other one. I have an Elgato 4K webcam also, so I'm just going to get the EMEET one Piko Plus next to that one, just kind of compare a little bit here. The Piko Plus is the world's first 4K dual lens AI camera. What it does, it has these, uses AI detect to detect the heads and shoulders, ensuring more like natural facial exposure and beautification. Especially in strong backlit environments. So we can see right here, same lighting and everything. I try to get both the cameras are pretty close together. The Elgato one, you can see it's just a little bit darker. Now what I have here is a powerful flashlight, and I'm just gonna kind of change the lighting to behind me and things, and see how each camera reacts. As far as right now, you can see the Piko Plus seems to have the advantage as far as just overall clarity, brightness. It's a little bit darker on this side of my face than the other one. So let's test this out here. Get my flashlight going. Okay. So that's pretty extreme backlighting, and we can see that the Piko Plus there has kind of made it a little bit easier to see me. The Elgato one is struggling a little bit with the shadows on the left side of the face there, and we just see that the Piko Plus has a little bit more vibrant colors there. So just as we shift the light around, the Elgato does a pretty good job of like front lighting, but you can still see that I don't know, I kind of prefer the Piko Plus here in this scenario. So we have some pretty extreme backlighting there, and it's almost, with the Elgato, I almost disappear, but still good with the Piko Plus. So that's the AI working for me with that. So it's seems to do a fairly good job on that. So just as you see the lighting as it goes around, just different aspects, it just seems to be a little bit more crisp and clear. So that's one of the advantages of the AI there. So if you have not a lot of great lighting, the Piko Plus with its AI is going to kind of try to maximize the lighting that you have and make it as clear as possible. So very nice. Okay, so here I have the Piko Plus set up there. See the autofocusing. Now I'll switch to the Elgato webcam. So both quite good actually, as far as that. The Piko Plus seems to be a little bit brighter. I haven't adjusted the colors. Of course, you can go into the settings. I'm running on OBS right now, so it's going to be a little bit different. So saturation, tint, gamma, all that stuff you can mess with, just depending on what you prefer as far as your kind of video quality there. But yeah, super happy with it. Like I said, I'm running OBS, so I do my videos. I try to have like an overhead video and then like a webcam one in front. A lot of people use those DSLR cameras. They're very expensive. E-streaming cameras like the Piko Plus here, excellent quality, pretty much similar at like a fraction of the price. We're talking about like a tenth of it basically. So if you're just starting out or something like that, this Piko Plus AI 4K ultra high definition streaming webcam, whether you want to plug it into your computer or your Mac or what have you, it was just plug and play from my OBS. Of course, you can mess with whatever settings you want as far as color and stuff like that. But really impressed with the picture quality. I'm looking here on my screen. just compared to my other one here. Looks like colors are a little bit different, obviously. This one's a little bit more sedated. The other one's quite a bit brighter on the Piko Plus, but it just seems like my background is a little bit more clear with this one, and I can't tell if that's because of the tint or is zoomed in a little bit, but excellent quality. I haven't really had any issues with like not being able to keep up with movements or anything, or like pixelation, weird things like that. All in all, just super impressed with it. I will definitely be implementing this into my unboxing / review camera setup. So I try to have one up above here so I can look down at the things that I'm unboxing. I really like that this webcam too. I can just put this little guy on there for privacy whenever. Super handy with that. Some of them you have to like twist something or put something on. I like the little, someone thought that out pretty good to put a little magnet on there. So the tripod it comes with is pretty cool too. Just screws that on there. This will fit on any standard mount like tripod you want to screw the base onto. The camera itself, like I said, and you saw earlier, it's very small, compact. So any little tiny space you want to add, probably I'd say it's the Elgato cam I have right now, and this thing's got to be almost a fifth of the size. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's super small compared to that. I mean, it's tiny, but it packs a big punch here. I'm super happy with the quality. I'm going to try to switch over to the sound now for my microphone, just so you guys can hear that real quick. Okay, friends, I switched directly over to the Piko Plus for audio. Generally, I haven't listened to this yet, but generally webcam audio is not going to be as good as just isolated, like specific microphones like I wear here. So this is not on right now, as you can tell. So I'm just using the Piko Plus microphone just to see how good that is. All right, now we're going to switch back over. All right, friends. Well, as we can see, excellent video quality. Sound isn't too horrible either. But if you are going to have a little setup like for YouTube or streaming, I do recommend a separate microphone. It's just really hard to get a video recording device that has audio recording that can match something like a specific microphone. So all in all, though, really impressed with the video quality of this camera. Yeah, like I said, I run OBS. It's plug and play, no issues at all. Just instantly started running. It's very small, compact, lightweight, easy to use. So I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.